Okay, I'm going to teach you a trick about twisting a handle. So if you take two different pieces of plastic, this one's a little too big. Okay. Oopsie. So two different pieces of plastic. And you put them where you want to twist the handle. Then you can easily twist the handle, and the plastic actually makes the handle kind of more plastic, and then it's easy to take it off after you've twisted it. So let's go ahead. I wanted to get two twists in here. It'd be easier if it was attached to something. Let me just hold it right here. Okay, I'm gonna cut it and then I'm gonna twist it. First I'm gonna cut it off so it's not so long. Okay. I think that this is not placed right in the middle where I want it. So I'm going to move the plastic, slide it down so it's in the middle. Okay. There we go. Okay. And then I would like this handle to have double twists, so one and two, and then I'm back to right side up. I'm going to let it dry like this. I'm going to form it into the shape that I want it to be. This is for a teapot. And I can really mold it into how I want it to be. I often forget to wet the bat down first. It's just so much easier to rearrange the handle on the bat if it's a little bit wet, so it doesn't stick on there. I have to find out how big this is. Okay, let's just give it a little clean up here. Oops. And I'll let it dry like that, and then once it's leather hard, I'll peel these off. They can just stay like that for now. Okay, great. Haven't done that in a long time.